Hey guys, just wanted to do a quick unboxing video on a couple items I ordered. First one being ProClip for the Dodge Charger, and also I got one for my wife's car, 2018 Malibu. So I haven't opened it yet, so I haven't seen how it comes packaged or anything. So let's get started. First thing, don't cut yourself with a knife. But I did order these. I paid for them myself. This was not a sponsored item or anything. So I'll probably unbox it just to kind of get a look at it and see how it is and install later today. So my dogs running around everywhere. Alright, so in the box, once I got it open, I'm just kind of stuck in there. Looks like they just shoved them in the box. No padding or nothing. I guess should be a durable product. We'll see. Looks like we got packing slip, and that's it. Okay. So this one looks like it's for the Malibu. We'll install that one as well. Do a install video, but it just comes really just in a dangly package like you buy something at Walmart. Just tear into it to see what's in the bag. Laundry's done. Alright, so we've got some user instructions. Tells you how to install the ProClip. Easy enough. And then, whoa, let's see. So we have the ProClip itself. So it looks like, it seems like pretty good quality. I mean, yeah, it's durable. Get your adhesive strips there, and then the tabs that slide in at on the dash. So I think it's overall going to be very great because I hate throwing my phone down in the tray. It also came with 2 spacers that you can use, or if you have a, I don't have one laying down here, but if you have a tool, any kind of tools used for dash components, you can use those as well instead of these spacers. But that works. Malibu one, we'll just open it up. Same stuff. It's going to have the instructions. I need to start a channel for my wife's Malibu Redline. Hers is a little different. Of course, the shape's going to be different based on your vehicle model and make. But overall, seems like a nice product. So I mean, I'm pretty happy with it. I did not order any of the actual mounts. I ordered Shosh or whatever it is. I don't know how you say their company name, but I ordered those from Amazon, the little magnets. Yeah, I'm just going to mount the magnetic piece here, and just that way it pops in and out really easily. But yeah, that's it. So as far as ProClip for the Dodge Charger, that's it. I will go this way, that way. Oh my god! So I'll get an install video of this and a review after a week or so use. So check back later for the install and also the review. Have a great one, guys.